energized than ever before. Let's start with the magnificent blueberry, a tiny fruit that packs a powerful punch in both flavor and health benefits. These little berries are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your overall well-being. Think of blueberries as little brain protectors, shielding your precious neurons from damage and keeping your mind sharp. They're rich in antioxidants, those amazing compounds that fight off free radicals, those pesky molecules that contribute to aging and disease. Antioxidants are crucial in maintaining the health of your cells and tissues. Blueberries are also packed with vitamin C and vitamin K, essential nutrients for overall health. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties, while vitamin K plays a vital role in bone health and blood clotting. Studies have shown that regular blueberry consumption can improve memory and cognitive function. Imagine enhancing your brain power simply by enjoying these delicious berries. Imagine sharpening your mind simply by adding these delicious berries to your breakfast or snacks. Whether you mix them into your yogurt, sprinkle them on your oatmeal, or just eat them by the handful, the benefits are undeniable. They're not just good for your brain, they can also help reduce inflammation throughout your body. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues. Inflammation is a sneaky culprit behind many health issues, and blueberries can help combat it. By reducing inflammation, you can lower your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. So, whether you enjoy them in your morning cereal, a refreshing smoothie, or a handful as a snack, you're making a smart choice for your health. Make blueberries your go-to brain booster. They're not only delicious but also incredibly versatile, fitting into a variety of meals and snacks. They're a delicious and convenient way to invest in your long-term health and well-being. The best part is, you don't need to make drastic changes to your diet to reap the benefits. Start incorporating them into your diet today and feel the difference. Whether you're looking to boost your brain power, reduce inflammation, or simply enjoy a tasty treat, blueberries are the perfect choice. Next up is salmon, a true superstar in the world of healthy eating. This fish is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly boost your overall health. This oily fish is brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that your body can't produce on its own. These omega-3s are crucial for maintaining a healthy balance in your body and supporting various functions. Omega-3s are like superheroes for your heart, helping to reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. They work by reducing inflammation and preventing the formation of harmful blood clots, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. They're also fantastic for your joints, easing inflammation and promoting flexibility. This can be particularly beneficial for those suffering from arthritis or other joint-related issues, making daily activities more comfortable and less painful. Salmon is a complete protein source, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair tissues. This makes it an excellent choice for muscle recovery after workouts and for maintaining overall muscle health. It's also rich in vitamin D, a crucial nutrient for bone health and immune function. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which is vital for strong bones and teeth, and it also plays a role in regulating the immune system, helping to fend off illnesses. Whether you grill it, bake it, or enjoy it in sushi, salmon is a versatile and delicious addition to any meal. Its rich, buttery flavor pairs well with a variety of seasonings and side dishes, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Make it a regular part of your diet and experience the heart-healthy benefits firsthand. Incorporating salmon into your meals a few times a week can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. Your heart will thank you for it. The benefits of salmon extend beyond just heart health, contributing to better brain function, improved mood, and even healthier skin. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart, and salmon can help you achieve both. By making mindful choices about what you eat, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier, happier life. So dive into the world of omega-3s and embrace the power of salmon. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your diet and support your body's needs. It's a true gift from the sea. The next time you're planning your meals, consider adding this nutrient-rich fish to your shopping list. Your body will thank you for the delicious and health-boosting choice. Let's not forget about spinach, the leafy green that gave Popeye his super strength. This humble vegetable is more than just a cartoon character's favorite snack, it's a real-life powerhouse of nutrition. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for strong bones. From salads to smoothies and even sautéed dishes, spinach can be incorporated into your diet in numerous delicious ways. It's an excellent source of vitamin K and calcium, two key nutrients for bone health. Vitamin K helps in the formation of bone proteins and improves calcium absorption, while calcium is the building block of our bones. Spinach is also rich in iron, which is crucial for red blood cell production and preventing anemia. Iron helps transport oxygen throughout the body, ensuring that your muscles and organs function optimally. It's a good source of magnesium, which plays a role in muscle and nerve function. Magnesium is also involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, making it essential for overall health. And let's not forget about the fiber in spinach, which promotes healthy digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber aids in maintaining a healthy gut, which is crucial for nutrient absorption and overall well-being. Whether you enjoy it in salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish, spinach is a versatile and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. Its mild flavor makes it easy to add to a variety of dishes without overpowering other ingredients. Make it a regular part of your diet and experience the Popeye power for yourself. Including spinach in your meals can contribute to a healthier, more active lifestyle, especially as you age. Strong bones are essential for maintaining an active and independent lifestyle, and spinach can help you achieve that. Regular consumption of spinach can support bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. So embrace the power of leafy greens and make spinach your go-to source of bone-building nutrients. Next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some fresh spinach and start reaping its numerous health benefits today. Before we continue, please tell us your favorite way to enjoy spinach. Vote now: salad, smoothie, or sautéed. Let's see which one comes out on top. Chapter 4. Nuts, the heart-healthy snack that keeps you satisfied. Nuts are a fantastic snack that can help you manage your weight and keep your heart healthy. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied between meals. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, and pecans are all excellent choices. Nuts are also a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. They contain magnesium, which is important for muscle and nerve function, and they're a good source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure. A handful of nuts a day can make a big difference in your overall health. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as nuts are calorie dense. So grab a handful of your favorite nuts and enjoy a healthy and satisfying snack. Your heart and your waistline will thank you. Chapter 5. Greek yogurt, the gut-friendly superstar. Greek yogurt is a gut-friendly superstar that can improve your digestion and boost your overall health. It's packed with probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and play a crucial role in digestion and immune function. Greek yogurt is also a great source of protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied. It's a good source of calcium, which is important for bone health. And it contains vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve function. Whether you enjoy it plain, with fruit, or in a smoothie, Greek yogurt is a versatile and delicious way to support your gut health. Make it a regular part of your diet and experience the benefits firsthand. Chapter 6. Sweet potatoes, the eye-healthy delight. Sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutritious way to support your eye health and regulate your blood sugar levels. They're packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts to vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision, especially as we age. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion. They contain vitamin C, which is important for immune function, and they're a good source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure. Whether you bake them, roast them, or mash them, sweet potatoes are a versatile and delicious addition to any meal. Make them a regular part of your diet and experience the eye-healthy benefits firsthand. So there you have it, 6 superfoods that can transform your health after 50. Incorporate these nutritional powerhouses into your daily meals and experience the incredible benefits. Add blueberries to your breakfast, enjoy salmon for dinner, and snack on a handful of nuts. Make spinach a staple in your salads and enjoy Greek yogurt for a gut-healthy treat. Roast some sweet potatoes for a delicious and nutritious side dish. Your health is your wealth, especially after 50. Start today and feel the difference. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. Consult your healthcare provider with any health concerns. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.